Okay, it's the 7th of June and this is my trade of the week, brought to you by my in-house RKD Disciplindicator, the indicator I use for my trading, an essential trading tool. This indicator is absolutely free, along with all the other indicators I use to trade. And this video also brought to you by Hypertech, the world's strongest blockchain alliance. Membership of Hypertech is highly recommended, and there are details about joining Hypertech at the end of this video and in the notes section below. So my trade of the week this week is short AUD USD. If we look at the chart here, we can see that the price has crossed WPP, is heading for WR1 Pivot. If we put a line across the WR1 Pivot, we can see that 2 weeks ago, this is last week, 2 weeks ago, price hit this line, reversed sharply. In fact, if we look at the bigger picture, every time price has hit this level, it's gone through it here, but it's hit this level, reversed, 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 reversed. So this entire area clearly is loaded with sellers, and every chance that if we hit the WR1 Pivot, which is currently at 77.94 area, we will get a reversal. So we would need to factor in other things. It's not a simple matter of the price hitting the pivot and reversing. It may well do, but we need to see signs that the price is reversing. If we see the price travel sideways for any length of time, this will be a no trade, as this could be a consolidation ready for a move higher. But if we see price hit WR1 like it does here, and on the next candle we get a bearish reversal candle, then you can jump on short and ride the move down, possibly all the way down to WS1 Pivot, which will be a 130 pip move. So that's my trade of the week for this week, 7th of June, short AUD USD from 77.94 area.